Hey guys, long time no see. So I am back at it. It is obviously sunny out, very sunny out in fact. It's a little bright, but I am going to go on ahead and take advantage of the sunny days. This time of the year here it tends to be rainy, with some patchy sun in between. So the next 3.5-ish days we're supposed to have some rain again. So I want to take the time that I can to be out here and get some things fixed. Yes, I'm going to own it. Okay, so gardening regret. Every gardener has regrets. Things in the year and in the season that they look back on and say, you know, I kind of wish I didn't do it quite like X. And this side area here is one of them. Now, love the way it turned out. Has absolutely nothing to do with that. What I do regret, though, is not laying weed barrier, especially here. Now, didn't do it out front either. I slightly regret that, but since we didn't know, since we didn't know exactly the full-blown layout and the scope of what we were going to be doing with the front garden at the time, that's why I didn't lay weed barrier. Sorry, I have a dog tangled up here in the camera stand. Say hello, Macy. Yeah, okay. Go be a dog. Anyway, but over here with the way that it's set up, it would have been a lot better and just saved some time and hassle for me in the long run if I had gone ahead and put down weed barrier. So the game plan as of right now is to hopefully get halfway. I'm going to try and get weed barrier done on half of it today at least, and then hopefully there are also some like mounds of dirt here that I would like to get hauled out and dumped into the ditch. And then we do have the other half that will need to be done, but I'm not sure that I will get to that today, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. All right, let's turn you around, and I will get this baby started. Good morning, guys. Okay, so day 2. I did not get the whole thing done yesterday. I'm kind of not surprised. I was really hoping to get it done, but I'm not surprised I didn't fully get it done. So, without further ado, let's go on to take 2. Hopefully I should have this done real quick. Okay. I don't know how it is that there's a lot, bleh, I can't even talk. I obviously have not had my coffee this morning. Okay, so I am not exactly sure how it works out that there seems to be less rock now than before I started, but somehow that managed to happen. So I guess that means I'm going to be hauling in some rock this week to help finish this out. Alright, and on that note, guys, I'm done with this vlog on La Casita Jardin. So, as always, keep it simple, natural, and essential, and until I see you on the next one, which is probably going to involve planting plants, take care. Mwah. God bless.